7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at SushiSwap. SushiSwap is currently ranked number 150 on CoinMarketCap. In the last 1 month, SushiSwap has gone as high as $1.50 and as low as $0.86. SushiSwap is currently trading for $1.20. It has a market cap of $152 million. In this video, we're taking a look at the SushiSwap US dollar price chart. Should we buy more SushiSwap right now? Is the bottom in for SushiSwap? SushiSwap has been dumping since when it set its all-time high in March 2021. It has gone down more than 96% from its all-time high. We'll also be looking at SushiSwap's performance against Bitcoin. Should it be the time we'll be flipping our Bitcoin for some SushiSwap? Also be looking at SushiSwap against the number one altcoin in the crypto market, looking at SushiSwap performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a peek at the SushiSwap market cap chart. How low can it go through the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, in the last 1 year, SushiSwap is down 85%. In the last 1 month, it's down 19.5%. But in the last 1 weekend, the last 1 day, SushiSwap is showing signs of life. We have a relief rally in the altcoin market. Altcoins are actually bouncing off the bottom. You can see ICP, Uni, Compound, and Covert Finance, Quant. All of them are having reasonable bounce in the last 1 week. Even SushiSwap is up 23%. So the $1,000,000 question, should we be getting more SushiSwap right now? Is the bottom in for SushiSwap? And SushiSwap has been in free fall from its all-time high that I set in March 2021. Since then, it has not been able to cross $23 and it dumped to as low as $0.87. For SushiSwap to go back to its previous all-time high from the bottom we set in the 22nd of June 2022, SushiSwap will have to pump over 2,500%. Is that possible? Guys, that's possible because from the 3rd of November 2020, SushiSwap pumped over 4,600% to the 12th of March 2021. Will history repeat itself, or is it going to be a drawn-out bear market? And we know that during the bear market, all coins actually lose 90 to 99% of their value against the US dollar, against Bitcoin, and against Ethereum. So SushiSwap in its first cycle is actually performing just like every other altcoin. How low is SushiSwap going in the bear market? And right now, it looks as if SushiSwap has found its bottom. And from the bottom right here, we said on the 16th of June 2022, SushiSwap is up 35%. But guys, is this a situation where we're getting faked out? Because you can see that SushiSwap has been bouncing, we've been having all these reliefs and has been coming up on the way, we've been having all these rallies, but it seems that the rallies are getting smaller and smaller. And the first one we had was a 160% rally. The second one we had was a 140% rally. The third one we have was less than 140%. The third one we had was approximately 100% rally, and this last one that we had in May 2022, entering June 2022, guys, this one was a 63% rally. Right now, SushiSwap is up 40% from the bottom. So is the bottom in right now? Is this the final dump? Should we buy more right now, or should we wait for Bitcoin to actually find its bottom? Because guys, Bitcoin has to find its bottom before a lot of these altcoins will find their bottom. A lot of the altcoins might be down 92% from the all-time high. You might think it's really cheap right now, but guys, they can still dump another 52%. Let's look at some technical details about SushiSwap. It has a market cap right now of $151 million, and it has total value locked of $2.2 billion. It has a fully diluted market cap of $298 million. Out of the maximum 250 million tokens we can have of SushiSwap, we already have 127 million of it in circulation, which represents 51% of it. So guys, should we be getting some SushiSwap through the bear market? How is SushiSwap performing against Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the number one crypto in the crypto market. You don't be holding an altcoin that's underperforming against Bitcoin. And SushiSwap bottom right here came on the 5th of November 2020. And after it was launched on August 2020, SushiSwap lost more than 96% of its value against Bitcoin. But that was actually the best time to flip your Bitcoin for some SushiSwap, because in the corresponding days, SushiSwap went up 1,200% against Bitcoin in just 92 days. And if you waited longer for SushiSwap to get to May 2021, you got to ride SushiSwap up over 1,400%, a 14x return on your Bitcoin investment if you bought SushiSwap on the 4th of November 2020. But since that top for SushiSwap against Bitcoin, SushiSwap has been dumping. It has lost more than 92% of its value. Even though we have been getting some release on the way, you can see that we had a little pump right here. We had another relief rally right here, ending of 2021, entering 2022. We even had one relief rally in May 2022. In all these few instances, and you see that as if SushiSwap is gaining value against Bitcoin, but it always led to further downside. Here we had a 68% pump, and before we continue dumping, we dump another 68%, and here again we had another pump, and this pump right here was 177% against Bitcoin. SushiSwap went up 117% in its value against Bitcoin before it finally dropped another 81%. Right now, in the last 1 month, SushiSwap is outperforming Bitcoin. It's up over 40% on its Bitcoin pairing. Should we be getting some SushiSwap with our Bitcoin, or is this just another bounce for us to go into gobbling town? Another reason why the bottom might be in right now on SushiSwap, because you can see that SushiSwap is actually consolidating around this area. It's taking a chill pill. It has not gone on to set new lows. Like the last time SushiSwap was in this area, this was an accumulation region. The last time SushiSwap was in this area against Bitcoin. Right now, SushiSwap is chilling in that region, and it has spent on the last 2 months there since May 11th, when the Terra Luna situation happened. SushiSwap has been chilling in that region. Will this be a buying opportunity of a lifetime? After now, we're going to see SushiSwap pumping against Bitcoin. Maybe this is the low. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Are you going to be buying some SushiSwap right now? It's altcoin around the season, because guys, SushiSwap has showed us that when the market is pumping, and it's good to get SushiSwap when the market is in easy mode, when everything is up only, but when the market is in down only mode, guess what? SushiSwap is going to dump really hard. So how is SushiSwap performing against Ethereum, the number 1 altcoin in the crypto market? And when SushiSwap was launched, it lost value against Ethereum. It lost more than 94% of its value against Ethereum. The bottom of SushiSwap against Ethereum came on the 4th of November 2020. After that, SushiSwap had a crazy pump against Ethereum. It pumped so hard and found its top on the 2nd of March 2021, and SushiSwap went up over 950% against Ethereum. We represented a 9x return. So if you flipped your Ethereum for some SushiSwap at the bottom right here, and you sell the SushiSwap at the top right here, trying to get some Ethereum, you would have gotten 9 times the Ethereum you flipped right here at the bottom. So when the altcoins, when the market is going up, you want to be getting into altcoins, because altcoins can help you multiply your Bitcoin and your Ethereum. But guys, you want to be careful, because when the market is dumping, they can easily lose value really fast. And SushiSwap has lost more than 95% of its value against Ethereum. It actually set a new all-time low. It set a new all-time low here on the 13th of May 2022. But since then, SushiSwap has been pumping. It has pumped more than 61% against Ethereum. Is this another fake out? Is this another fake out? Because you can see that SushiSwap had this kind of pump right here. This one was even a 131% pump right here before we finally started dumping. So is the same thing happening again? Has SushiSwap not found its bottom against Ethereum? SushiSwap market cap went from as low as $76 million in November 2020 to as high as $3 billion at the top of the bull run, and just took it 130 days to go on that crazy ride. But since then, it has been dumping. It has lost more than 96% of its value. The market cap of SushiSwap got to as low as $114 million on the 15th of June 2022. Is the bottom in? Are we going to get some relief rally? Because guys, we have been dumping pretty much in a straight line. At some point in time, we're going to get some relief rally to the upside before maybe we'll finally dump, or we'll just consolidate sideways. But I believe at some point in time, we'll get a relief rally. And you can see that SushiSwap have been consolidating around this region. It means, and this is a very important region for SushiSwap. Yes, it has been dumping. Yes, everything looks very gloomy. Bitcoin has not found its bottom, but we need Bitcoin to find its bottom, and we need SushiSwap market cap to break this $152 million region. I want to see SushiSwap market cap get to probably as high as $350 or maybe $400 million during the relief rally, and that would take SushiSwap pumping more than 100 to 150%. That represents a 220% pump from SushiSwap from the bottom. That would be a very nice relief rally. We can get that in the altcoin market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At what price points will you be getting some SushiSwap? Will you hold your SushiSwap through the bear market? Will you be buying more through the bear market? Or will you wait for the pump and will you sell into the pump? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.